How to transfer crypto from the Robinhood to Ledger Nano X. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can do this quickly and easily. Now we are inside the official help center or official article of the Ledger Nano X on where we can go ahead and transfer our crypto assets. Now before you start, you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the Ledger Live installed. Now you can just go ahead and log in your account on the Ledger Live, and from there you can now navigate through the Ledger Live device on which we are going to generate the receive address. Now you can just go ahead and click on the receive tab in the menu on the left hand side, choose the account to credit, click on continue, and from there you can just go ahead and connect and unlock the Ledger device. Open your crypto asset app as instructed and click continue. From there you can just go ahead and read the on-screen instruction and click verify to display an address on your device on which we are going to use in order to deposit the crypto from. Right after that, you can just go ahead and copy the address of your wallet, or you can just show the QR code to the sender in which yourself, and from there we can now go ahead and open up the Robinhood account. And inside, you want to navigate through the crypto icon at the bottom of the Robinhood app window, which is this button right here. From there, you can just go ahead and tap on send, click on the deposit or receiving address, and from there you can just go ahead and paste the address that you got from the Ledger Nano X, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.